account, opportunity, cases and contacts, right? Now, can I include all these four in the report type, in the same report type? And I actually am waiting for an answer. Can I include all four of them in a report type? Yes or no? Anyone who says yes will need to tell me how. Anyone who says no will need to tell me why. So Renu has finally said that yes, we can add 4 objects at a time using custom report time. Right. Vijay also says we can do up to 4 objects. Fine, great. That is the answer. Now, anyone who feels that this is not correct, Renu and Vijay feel that yeah, this can be done. Anyone who thinks that it cannot be done? Can we link account, opportunity, contacts, cases in the same report type? Okay. Tejasvi says, I don't think it works in the same report type. Fine. Let me go back to what I just said a few minutes back. You can have up to 4 objects which are into a linear hierarchy. These 4 objects are not into linear hierarchy. Opportunity is a child of account. Contact is a child of opportunity or account. Contact is also a child of account. Cases is also a child of account. Right? So that is the thing. It is not that account is a child, opportunity is a child of account, contact is a child of opportunity, cases is a child of contact. It's not like that. You can include 4 objects which are into a linear hierarchy. Parent, child, child's child. Right. Renu is asking what is linear hierarchy. Okay. That is your grandfather, then your father, then you, and then your son, your child. This kind of a relationship. Okay. So this ways 4 objects can be connected. But here what we have, the requirement, we have account and we have contact, opportunity, cases, which are all child of account. Right? That is it. So this kind of a hierarchy you cannot include 4 objects. Got it? So for that reason we will need to have, here what we'll have in this situation, we can have 3 different report types. One between account and contacts, one between accounts and opportunities, the third one between accounts and cases. Got that? So accounts and contacts, accounts and opportunities, and accounts and cases. These 3 different hierarchies are there. All right. Sorry, these 3 different report types will be required. Now what I need to do, if I need to create a report like this, where I want to create a report
Jeet,
like this,
I have a doubt.
where I want to... Tell me.
For anything we will create an account first. Will there be any object which is not a child of account? I mean, in this example, will there be any object which we cannot do a reporting because it's not child of account?
No, sorry, I cannot understand. For anything you need to create an account first. Anything, when you say, what do you mean by anything? You're talking about custom object?
I mean, will there be any object which is not a child of account? Because account is the most important thing in many of the business scenarios where we create that, and most of them would be childs of account, right? We create account first. So will there be any object which is not a child of account?
They can be, but most of them, if you are talking about CRM part, most of the things will need to be. Can you mute your system for a minute? There's a lot of stuff. Yeah, so if you're talking about the CRM part, most of the things that you're tracking will be related in some part of time need to be related to the account, because you're doing it for your client or prospect, right? You need to track that for which client or which prospect you are doing it. But there is no such rule. But yes, what you said is practically correct. But there is no such rule that every object has to be a child of account or something. We can create custom objects where we are not, putting anything related to account and all that stuff. So that thing can be there. But most of the things are related to account as far as CRM is concerned. Same way, if you start designing, an application for your HR team, most of the things will be related to employee, beneficiaries of employee, the benefits of employee, appraisal of employees, because that is going to be the central object there, and most of things will be related to that. So that is correct actually to some extent, that most of the objects will be related to account, but there is no hard and fast rule that okay has to be. Does that answer your question? So let's get back to this thing. The report that we were discussing, that this kind of a report, as I can see, to include these things, I need 3 different report types. Okay. So a joint report is what will allow you to include multiple report types in the same report. First of all, create a report using account and opportunity report type, then include the second one, and then include the third report type. Okay, that is what can be done through joint report.
Hello. Actually, I'm having one question. Like, how will we come to know